Hey guys, I'm Chef Ronaldo and welcome to Smoke Sessions. I've teamed up with Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to cook up some recipes using different grilling techniques to help you master your flavor at home. In this session, we're gonna be braising, which means cooking in a liquid over a long period of time until tender. I love doing this outside with Kingsford charcoal because of its smoky flavor. Today, we're making braised bone-in short ribs, a Barbacoa stuffed arepa. I am bridging a little bit of Oaxaca and some of my Latin roots into this dish. I've loaded my Kingsford charcoal, lit my fire starter, and set the grill to 275 degrees. Make sure you put your cast iron skillet in the grill while it comes to temp. We're gonna start preparing our ingredients for a braising liquid. But first, you need to cook your chilies 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove the stem, cut down the middle, remove the seeds, and set aside. Cover the short ribs with oil and season with salt and pepper. To the cast iron, add the remaining braising ingredients. Make sure you add the short ribs half submerged in the liquid. Cover with lid or aluminum foil and braise for 2.5 hours until tender. The grill, the fan, and the Kingsford charcoal will help me stay at a steady 275 degrees for the whole cook. Remove the short ribs from the liquid and shred. Discard the bay leaves and puree the sauce, adding half of it to the meat mixture. Prepare your arepas, aka corn cakes. Set dough in a bag for 15 minutes. Remove dough from bag and form into tennis-sized balls. Flatten to half-inch discs. Turn up the heat to 400 degrees and brush the arepas with a high-heat oil. Cook on both sides until lightly brown for about 5 minutes each side. Vamos a comer, let's eat. Braising is definitely the play here. Deep flavor, perfectly tender, and Kingsford charcoal gives it that smoky kiss. Thank you for watching. Now head over to the Home Depot to pick up your Gravity Series 1050 and Kingsford charcoal. I hope you learned something about mastering your flavor. Adios.